Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now today I'm not going to do any tutorial. I'm going to talk about this great plugin over here. Now there is great news for all who are using Elementor Pro and who intends to use Elementor Pro. Okay. Now this news just came in. Elementor just announced that they are reducing their prices. So I got an email. Okay, I got an email over here, and then they told me that they are reducing their prices. So as you can see over here, today the agency plan update is coming into effect. In addition, we have even more news for you. Now if you go on further, it says that the agency plan is now 399 instead of 999. So at first, the agency plan, which gives you 1,000 website, okay, which when you buy that plan, you're gonna have 1,000 websites that you're going to install Elementor Pro on. Okay, but now they are saying that it is not going to be 999 again, but instead it's going to be what, $399. Now this is an amazing offer because imagine if you are building website for clients as an agency or as a web design agency. You buy this 399, and then you spread it across 1,000 website that you're going to build, or 1,000 clients that you're going to build. Okay, imagine what is the cost. Now it's going to be what, lesser. Okay, very, very less. It means that you're going to get profit out of this thing, and that is an amazing thing for all web designers out there who are using Elementor Pro. Okay, Elementor Pro or Elementor to design their website. Now for the sad news is that for those who want to use just the plan, which is the 49, it used to be 49, that is the essential plan. Okay, it used to be 49. Now they've raised the price to 59, and they are saying that as of it will start from December 1st. Okay, so from December 1st, which is next month coming, it's going to be 59 USD instead of the 49 USD. Okay, so guys, hurry up and go and buy your Elementor Pro before it increase. If you want to buy the one plan only, that is for just one website, that is the essential plan, which is the 49, you go ahead and then and buy it. Okay, now let's look at the details of it. Now the details says the agency plan is now available at 399 USD instead of 999 USD. Now all existing plans owners will enjoy this discount upon renewal. So if you bought your Elementor Pro at 999, which is the 1,000 website plan, that is, let me take you to Elementor Pro over here, and then you see the plans. Now the one pro website activation is 49. It's still 49, but by the time we get to December 1st, it's going to increase to 59. Okay, so if you want to buy it now, go ahead and buy it now. And then also the 25 pro website is still 199. That is the expert plan. Okay, and then the 1,000 one has been reduced to the one which was 999 has been reduced to 399. So I think this is the best offer so far. Okay, because if I'm going to get 1,000 website activations for 399, then I'll choose to buy this one instead of even this one. Okay, so instead of me buying this one, why won't I go for this one, the agency plan, which is the best? Okay, so if you read further from the email that they sent, they said all existing agency owners will enjoy the discount upon renewal. So upon renewal, you're going to enjoy the 399. Okay, but now you have it as 999. That is if you bought it previously. Okay, now everyone on the studio plan, now they used to have a studio plan, but now they are saying that everyone on the studio plan now gets an agency at 399. So what does it mean? It means that studio plan owners will be automatically upgraded to the agency plan. So if you were on the studio plan, they will upgrade you to the agency plan automatically. Okay, so as a result, they will be able to enjoy the 10 website activations and access to 10 team members. Now with the renewal, when the renewal is due, they will pay less, meaning that at first you used to pay more, but now if the renewal is due, you're going to pay what, just 399 USD. Okay, and that is the amazing thing. Now what else is it? And that is what I've talked about. So the essential plan, which used to be what, 49, they will be rolling it out as what, as 59. Okay, so meaning that there is an increase of what, 10 USD added to the essential plan, meaning that if you are going to buy just one, it will be very expensive than buying the 1,000 agency plan. Okay, so guys, that is the news out there. Now if you want to buy Elementor Pro, then I think this is the right time for you to go now and then buy Elementor Pro. Otherwise, as at when it gets to 1st December, they're going to increase this one to 49. Okay, and then for those who are also interested in the agency plan, it has been reduced, okay, to 399 USD. So I think for everyone who is interested in Elementor Pro and wants to buy it now, you can go ahead and then buy it now. I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on it, and then it will take you to Elementor Pro, and then you can be able to buy it now. So guys, what do you think about it? Leave a comment and let me know what do you think about it. Do you think this reducing to 399 is the best offer, or do you think Elementor have some kind of are they not making sales enough that they have to reduce this one over here? And then why are they increasing this one to 59 also? Why? What is it? Leave a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.